Oh my God, where did time go? So my daughter's going to homecoming and I am so excited. So first I'm starting off with this cream nude and red and stained glass from Tino Vo. If you know, you know. We're gonna start making her set, her recreation. So she basically just took a bunch of pictures off of Pinterest and jumbled them up into one set, and that's what we're recreating today. So I'm gonna make this red set, and then I'm gonna go in with the stained glass to make it this burgundy, vampire, gothic, cyber. I don't know. It's the youth today that wants whatever my daughter wants, she gets. So I'm just gonna recreate what she wants. I'm gonna go in with this black pigment from Tino Vo and his fluffy brush. I love this brush so much. It has saved my life. I'm telling you, if you need to ombre, you need his pigments and you need his brush. These are a game changer. I'm literally getting rid of all my other old nail products because I don't use any other products but Tino's products right now. I'm like obsessed with his products. So I'm feathering in and going with like lighter motions, and then I'm going in with like very harsh motions at the end to really get that pigment in there. And you work fast, and it's just, this took me like 30 minutes to get all the colors on there and get all the pigment on there, and then I was done. I was so proud of myself that I was done so fast. But then I realized that my daughter jumbled up the picture. So the nails were all, it was pinky, it was ring middle, and the index was on the other side, and the thumb. So I got confused. So I had to redo some nails, but that's okay. It still took me no time whatsoever. So here I'm using Tino's technique. He uses the sponge to like glitter in, to really make that glitter, pack it in. He sponges the gel off, and it is a game changer, I'm telling you. So I'm using the Crazy Top. This is a no wipe gel, and it works so good. This is the thick viscosity one, and I'm telling you, I love it. I use this all the time, all of the time. And this is perfect for those 3D raised nail art. If you know and you love it, you better get yourself one. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it too. So here I'm going in with the silver mirror gel from Tino Vo, and here's the trick with this. You want to go very thin, okay? When I tell you thin, don't go in very thick, go in thin. And then you let it sit for like 2-3 minutes, and you'll see the mirror just start popping. Like the mirror effect starts popping even more. And then you cure it. Then you cure it for I don't know, a minute, 2 minutes, depending on your lamp, 30 seconds. It works like a charm. I'm telling. If he had this in gold, I would buy it immediately. Like, I wish he had every other color in this. He should make a collection of this mirror gel because it is my staple. It's my favorite. Like, I always grab for this. If it's silver, I'm grabbing this. I'm not even doing the chrome. Like, I'm not doing the chrome with all the powders flying everywhere. No, I'm grabbing the silver. If it's silver, it's silver. I'm doing the silver mirror. It is everything. I'm telling you, everything. And it's a no wipe. So you could leave it like this if you wanted to. I'm just extra. I like to seal everything in because, you know, paranoia, like you have to seal everything in. It's a mirror. So you're going to seal it in regardless, but you don't need to. It says that on his website. So, but here I'm raising this up, okay, because my daughter's extra. She's picky. She is demanding. She's an artist like myself. She's a better artist than I am, though, but she's picky, she's demanding, she wants everything raised. I don't know, maybe it's like an anxiety thing. She wants to be able to feel the nails and just like play with them and feel them, the texture and everything. I don't know. Are you like this too? Is it just the youth today, or is everything have to be texture and 3D and like in nail art? Where the nail art is just getting more and more texture. Have you noticed? I don't know. I'm rambling now. Anyways, here I'm going in with the mirror gel again, and I'm just putting that over the texture, right? The raised gel. Here I'm going in with the Saviland black carving gel, and I'm gonna make these little snake charms, right? That she wants. She wants these snake charms going wrapped around the finger. And you know, I had these as charms, and I totally forgot that I have these as charms, but I didn't have black and silver ones. So, you know, I'm gonna make them. I'm just gonna make them. I did it. I forgot I had it. I could have used the charms, but I'm making them. So you can look at me making them right now. So here I'm just like making a little triangular shape in the end. That's gonna be his tail, and the head is gonna be to the bottom. Using my cuticle pusher to just like push in that design right there. Look at that. That's so easy. That is so easy. It's the easiest thing I've ever done in my life. And then I'm going to cure this. Look at me going back and forth on each and every nail. If you want a single tutorial of each nail, just let me know and I'll make one. I'm going in with this mold. It's like a rhinestone mold, and I'm just putting the glitter in there, and look how cute that turned out. So she wanted this spider on her nails, right? But every time I make anything 3D, it's like she's like, it's too flat 3D. Like, I wanted more 3D. So I saw this spider on Instagram. I have to find the creator and tag her. But I thought, wow, she made these huge spiders, right? So I thought, I'm going to make that on the nail. And I'm pretty sure my daughter is going to absolutely love it. I don't like spiders personally. I'm terrified of spiders, but she thinks that they are cute. So, yeah. We're gonna make the spiders for her. I hope she doesn't chase me with this nail later. But I know I made it, so it's like a nice spider, right? So here are the nails. That's how the spider turned out. Now she wants these crosses on the nails, and this was the actual only charm I had. That was the charm she wanted, but the charm is so big and it's so flat, and it doesn't lay on the nail the way I want it to lay on the nail. Like, it should be curved, right? So I thought, you know what? Let me take this this tool here and try to, mold it a little bit to the nail to get it that it lays more flat. And it worked. I can't believe that this worked, but it did. I was scared of breaking the charm, but I mean, it's just a charm. You should try whatever you can, right? If you can make it bend, why not? So I'm placing some acrylic because, charms have to be applied with acrylic. Otherwise, they're going to pop off. They're going to fall off. So here's the set. Do you think she's going to like them?